mixed trading as a new month kicks off. Many markets across the globe are closed for the May Day or Labor Day holiday. Here in the U.S., investors exhaled as congressional leaders hammered out a bipartisan agreement on a spending package. Now, the federal government will be funded through the end of the current fiscal year. As for this week's key fundamentals that are in the spotlight, the two-day Federal Reserve meeting kicks off on Tuesday, May 2nd. The rate announcement is expected at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. And in the Eurozone, we are set to get preliminary data on first quarter economic growth on Wednesday. The data will be watched for further hints on the strength of the region's economy. Also, the ECB's Draghi will be speaking in Switzerland on Thursday, May 4th. And wrapping up the week, the U.S. employment report is scheduled for release on Friday, May 5th. Expectations for non-farm payrolls calls for April jobs growth of $185,000 following a rise of just $98,000 in March. The unemployment rate in the U.S. is forecast to inch higher to 4.6%, and average hourly earnings are expected to rise 0.3%. At the end of the week, the Hoover's Monetary Policy Conference will be monitored. Fed Reserve Bank of Chicago President Charles Evans, Boston Fed's President Eric Rosengren, and St. Louis Fed President James Bullard will participate in a panel. And Fed Chair Janet Yellen is due to deliver a speech titled Monetary Policy Rules and Committees. Of course, all eyes will be on the runoff vote for the French presidential election, which will be held on Sunday. And in New York, midday trade, the euro-dollar is higher by just 0.2% at 1.0916. And quickly taking a look at commodities, June WTI futures are off 1.2% at $48.74, while spot gold is flat at $1267.90. And until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Marie Blair reporting for ICM Capital.